me. No meowing. I said no. You scratched the couch again and then you meow like it's my fault? Not today. Mr. Wish says no. I said don't. Be nice. Be quick.
Oh, are you okay?
Whoa. Oh no! You okay? Hey! Don't. Hey. No, he will hurt you. Oh. Carl. It's okay.
Do you want him to get away from you?
No! Pumpkin! What are you doing to him?
I love you. Don't buy me.
Too many hours a day. That sedentary inactivity is terrible.
Whoa!
Bobby.
What is happening? Pumpkin! Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare eat those toes. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Won't move. Ham, get out of the chair.
Stop. Mommy's taking pics off you, so sit still.
What happened?
Don't. What the fuck do you want?
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Oh, Gypsy.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oi, ó, isso aqui dá ficar procurando conversa com os. Oh! Are you okay?
Cup of frozen peas.
Don't you dare do that.
We need frozen.
Don't you dare do that.
She's happy. Look, she's happy. I'm taking it away from you.
Pumpkin!
It's bad.